We woke early as the sun was rising over Taveuni Island, glittering light across the Somosomo Strait. My second diving opportunity to discover the great white wall, this time with my GoPro ready to capture the experience. We made our way through a small network of tunnels before opening up to the beautiful Great White Wall itself. A massive escarpment plastered in white soft corals reaching down to depths of 80 meters. We didn't quite reach that far, but with our advanced certifications required in order to participate in the dive, we made the most of the experience. One diver even recorded a depth of up to 35 meters on his dive computer. Rainbow Reef is known for its coloured soft corals and is one of the world's best locations to view them. Soft corals draw in varied marine life, such as Anemonefish, whose famous relatives include Nemo from Finding Nemo. These fish love to hide and play in the soft corals. Along our Great White Wall trip, we were followed by a curious white-tipped reef shark, who we ran into several times as it glided its way past us. Our second dive of the day was known as Nuku Reef, a much shallower dive filled with coral structures and tropical fish. These tropical fish included such species as the small yellow tangle and the striped oriental sweet lips. The soft corals would wave and sway like trees and plants in a subaquatic garden. It was a nice little dive to finish the day, with schools of small blue fish, parrotfish, and different species of giant sea cucumbers.